How to activate Islamic Bank debit card. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your Islamic Bank debit card. To do so, first of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device and at the search bar type the official website of Islamic Bank debit card, dib.ae. Once you type in this keyword, press the enter button to search it. Within a second, you will land on the official website of Islamic Bank debit card. Now once you reach to this page, you will be taken to the official website of Dubai Islamic Bank. Here at the top, you will find Alt Online. Select this option and from here select one of these based on your preference. Once you click on them, you will be taken to a new page. Here you will find the login interface. In this first box, enter your username and in the second box, enter your password. Make sure you enter the correct password here. After entering the password, now click on this login button and you will be able to log into your Dubai Islamic Bank online banking account. Once you do so, on the main interface, you will find Relationship Summary option. You just simply have to click on that option. Under Relationship Summary, you will find Cards section. Select this option and then from there, select the card to be activated. Card activation and setup PIN option will be displayed under the inactive card. You just simply have to click on this option and then there you will need to enter the new PIN and confirm that new PIN. After entering your PIN, tap on the continue button there and you will be asked to enter the OTP sent to you. Wait for the OTP and once you get that, enter it in the box and click on confirm. Once doing that, your card will be activated and the new PIN will be set. Make sure to keep your PIN confidential and do not share with others. So by following these steps, you can easily activate Dubai Islamic Bank debit card. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.